Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the untrusted domain error in Nextcloud, the one that usually appears when you try to access your Nextcloud installation from a new domain or IP address. Let's get started. When you see the access through untrusted domain message, it means that your domain or IP is not added to the list of trusted domains in your Nextcloud configuration file. To fix this, you just need to edit that file and add your domain manually. First, open your Nextcloud installation directory on your server. You can do this through your hosting file manager or by connecting via SSH. Then navigate to the config folder and open the file named config.php. Inside this file, look for the line that starts with trusted_domains. You'll see something like trusted bound domains array 0 equals localhost. Now, add your new domain or IP address to this list. For example, trusted domains equal array 0 equals localhost 1 equals yourdomain.com 2 your.server.ip.address. Once you've added your domain, save the file and close it. Then go back to your browser and refresh your Nextcloud page. The untrusted domain error should now be gone, and you'll be able to access your dashboard normally. If you're still getting the same message, make sure you've cleared your browser cache or restarted your web server using a command like sudo systemctl restart, Apache 2 or sudo systemctl restart nginx, depending on your setup. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Nextcloud untrusted domain error in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tech guides.